Okay, today we have a Lenovo. This is a Lenovo. See, Lenovo Z650. It is coming for many issues. The first is the keyboard, and the second is the operation system, and the third is USB port not working. The customer said these two USB port. This one USB 2, sorry, this one is USB 2.0 and this one is USB 2.3.0. The two of this port is not working. All of this port is not working. So uh, I will first repair is to repair the USB port if I can. Yeah, because if the keyboard you only replace and it's okay, and then the operation system just reinstall, you can get a good laptop. Yeah, but USB port is important for the customer because only one USB port that's work in this laptop. Yeah, this one. Yeah, in the right side. uh, Based on I test the laptop, this USB port only this only USB port that's working great. Yeah. So let's open the laptop and see what happened inside of the laptop. Yeah. I will stop and open it quickly. Okay. Sorry because I didn't record before, but I want you know about the problem of this board. Yeah. 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 Uh, this two port is not working before. Because this chip. Yeah. This chip is AP. Sorry, AP. This U4. U4. This one U4. U4. Uh, this this is the switching for the voltage of the USB port because I see before this is water damage. Yeah. So maybe the old chip is dead. Yeah. Now this new uh I found in another donor bot. This is before this is AP20 A20C. Yeah. Okay, let's test it. Yeah, plug in the charger. Okay, okay. Where is my multimeter? Oh, my multimeter. Oh, so, okay. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Switch to the C voltage. Yeah, ground. Yeah, when the charger plug in, this is 5 volt, yeah, but in here, in this output, there is nothing, yeah. And when we switch on the laptop, okay, this is still 5 volt, and the other side is 5 volt too. Yeah, in the old chip, this is uh not 5 volt, yeah, and no voltage too when we switch on the laptop. So to prove this is work, yeah, we must put all back together and see what happened. Yeah? Okay, I have been assembly the laptop. Yeah, uh, the laptop has been loading the Windows. You see, yeah, you see these two ports. Yeah, yeah, USB 3.0, USB 2.0 that we repaired before. Let's test it. USB 3.0. Nothing happened. 2.0. Yeah, you see? Yeah. The the yeah, you can maybe you can see the laptop has been loading the drive there. One it's difficult to see, but it's I'm sure this is loading the Windows. How about this the USB 3? USB 3 and eject from USB 2. How about the USB 3? Yeah, the USB 3 loading too, yeah? Yeah. There is a bug. Maybe we must plug in the USB 2 first before the USB 3 first, yeah? But I think it is enough because if you want to push USB 3 work as the new one, I think we can do that. We can't do that because uh, before this laptop has been water damage on yeah, so can we can make it working. It's good, yeah. But if you want to have like new one, no, I can do that because it is a long story, yeah. Okay, I think I will stop the video because the job has done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this. See you in the next video. Okay.